Hi guys, this is Miss Baker and I'm going to go over how to do the work version of 210. Now if you watched the video or did the notes, you saw that I showed you what the tiles look like and what the information is on the tiles. So what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the first 18 elements tiles. Those are the ones that we will spend most of our time on, but this information works on all of the elements that we have discovered. Okay, so on this first page, here is the work that we're going to be working on. And what it says is, in this activity, you are going to build atomic models for the first 18 elements. You must follow the steps in order. Number one, go to chemical-elements.com. You are going to research each of the elements and place the information on the tile on the upper right-hand corner. Who discovered it? When was it discovered? Where did the name come from? And what is special about this element? Close out of this program, then do not use the program for the rest of the activity. Don't go any further in the activity. You will come back to this activity in a few days to complete and resubmit. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on chemical-elements.com, which is this right here. You're going to split your screen and pull this over here. All right. Now, scroll this part over here. This is the piece of information that we want to know about right now. So the first element we are looking at is hydrogen. You're going to find out the element you're looking at, and it's right here. All right, so if we go to hydrogen, you're going to, H means hydrogen. You can use your yellow periodic table to find that out. And it's going to go in order. Hydrogen, then helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon. We are not going to worry about the rest of these here. You will get to know them, but right now all I'm interested in is these first 18. So hydrogen is right here. We're going to click on it. All right. Now we want to know who discovered it. Now you can scroll through all of this if you want to, but the information that we're going to be worrying about is right here under facts. So who discovered it? It's Henry Cavendish. So I'm going to write Henry Cavendish on this side. Henry Cavendish. When was it discovered? When it was discovered was right here, 1766. 1766. Where did the name come from? The name origin is from the Greek words hudor, and genen is generate. Water generates. So I'm going to grab this information, Control C, and I'm going to drop that sucker right there. What is special about this element? Now, at this point, you can go ahead and search what is special about hydrogen. You can say where it's obtained from, its uses. You can find anything out on the web about it. So I'm going to open up this and I'll say, what is special maybe about hydrogen? Okay. And you can use any reasonable scientific information about what is special about hydrogen. Okay, find something unique. You can tell me what it's used for. You can tell me how it was discovered. I don't care. Just find out something special about it. Okay? Now, when you're done with all of those, you are going to, okay, I'm going to go back here. You are going to go into this area. Okay? You are going to go back over to the periodic table. Okay, so here is a periodic table of the elements. This is not exactly the same one you have, but they're all very, very similar. They all have the elements in the same order. That all just, it's all good. So this is basically the same thing that you've got. There's lots and lots and lots of different ones of these. Okay, so the next step that you're going to do is you are going to fill out the symbol, the number of electrons, the number of protons, and the atomic number and the atomic mass. So we're going to find hydrogen. Again, these are in order. So hydrogen is right here. So the symbol is right there. So we're going to type in H. Okay. Remember, if it's a capital letter, it has to be a capital letter. If it's a lowercase letter, it has to be a lowercase letter. Okay. The atomic number, oops, hold on. My Zoom is going crazy. Oh, really going crazy. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. You see this number right here? This number right here is the atomic number. Okay, so that number is number 1. Now that number tells you how many electrons and protons there are. When we're talking about electrons and protons on the periodic table, they are always the same exact number as the atomic number. So this atomic number says there is 1 electron and 1 proton. They are always the same when we're talking about them on the periodic table. So atomic number 1 says there is 1 electron and 1 proton. Now, if we were looking at krypton right here, krypton's atomic number is 36. That means it's got 36 protons and 36 electrons. Gold right here, Au, has 79 protons and 79 electrons. Rubidium right here has 44 protons and 44 electrons. So they are always the same. The last number that you're going to be looking for is this big long number right here. This is called the atomic mass. Okay, well, I'm glad it just went up. All right, so this number is 1.00794. I am only going to expect you to go out 1 decimal place. So always put the decimal because that reminds you that that's the atomic mass. So right now, the atomic mass, we're going to put 1.0. Okay? Now, I would like you to do that for the first 18. Don't go any farther. Okay? Remember, we are going to learn the first 18 really, really, really well. And then the rest of them will make sense and you can find the rest of them. Just go, you're going to do 1 through 18. All right, then you're going to go to PhET Physics, Build an Atom. Okay? You're going to draw models and show the atoms or ions. You know what? I don't want you to do that. Just go through the first 18 and then we will do 19 through 23 on another video. Okay, guys, I hope this helps. Have a good day.